I myself, Dr. B.K. Mahanti, first welcome you for the second class of basic concept of chemistry. It is continuation of basic concept of chemistry. I told you in the last class of two law of definite proportion. Now I will go to the law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple state that when two elements combine together, when two elements combine together to form two or more different compounds, two or more different compounds, then the masses of one element which combine with the fixed mass of other bear a simple ratio, bear a simple whole number ratio, bear a simple whole number ratio. बुझे देवी तब clearly. Simple whole number ratio to one another. Then when two elements, let us take two elements. For example, you may write hydrogen and oxygen. They are two elements. Let us explain this. Hydrogen is one element and oxygen is another element. In the case hydrogen and oxygen, you form different compounds. So, for example, you form water, that is formula H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen, two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Another hydrogen and oxygen, two same element HO form hydrogen peroxide. Its formula is H2O2. It is H2O2. Since it forms water and hydrogen peroxide, here the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio of mass of hydrogen and oxygen in water. Look at here, H2O, 2 grams, so hydrogen 1, each one, 2 is 16, 2 is to 16. If you take constant of hydrogen 1, that is 1 is to 8, the ratio is 1 is to 8. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen 1 is to 8. Here, in hydrogen peroxide, the ratio of masses of hydrogen and oxygen will be 16 into 32, 2 is to 32, or that is 1 is to 16. Look at here, in water that is 1 is to 8, in hydrogen peroxide that is 1 is to 16. So keeping one constant for hydrogen, the ratio of oxygen, so the ratio of oxygen will be 8 is to 16. Ratio of A will be 8 is to ratio of oxygen is 8 is to 16. That is 1 is to 2. That is whole number ratio, which is a whole number ratio. So this is the law of multiple proportion. I will take another example also. I may take another example. Suppose carbon and oxygen, two different elements, carbon and oxygen. Carbon, another is oxygen. You one element, it is another element. This element form a compound. Let us take a compound number 1. Compounding, the compound is, first compound is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Monoxide. Second compound is two different compound, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. It is CO, it is CO2. So from this we can find that carbon is at a mass 12, oxygen 16. 12 parts is to 16. Oxygen 16. Here 12 parts is to 32. So here keeping the mass of carbon constant, 12 constant, ratio of oxygen in carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide is, look at here, 12 constant, 16 is to 32. Is 16 is to 32. That is the ratio 1 is to 2. That is a simple whole number multiple. A simple ratio, that is whole number ratio. So this is the law of multiple proportion. Another problem. I will ask a problem. And the problem is given to you: hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen form two compounds. Hydrogen and oxygen form two compounds. The hydrogen contain in the first compound, the hydrogen contain, sometimes it problem पड़ी हो, पूरा full problem था. Hydrogen contain 5.93%. And the other compound, second compound, in the second compound contain 11.2% hydrogen, 11.2% of hydrogen. Look at here, hydrogen and oxygen from two compounds. In the first compound, the hydrogen contain 5.93%. In the second compound, hydrogen contain 11.2%. That means the other part is oxygen. So in first compound, the mass of oxygen will be this is percentage 5.93, 100 minus 5.93 is equal to 94.07%. 9.07 gram. Second compound will be 100 minus 11.2, that is 88.2. If oxygen is 90, जोटा पड़े से ऊपर रख दो असुविधा हो. Oxygen 9.407 gram है, hydrogen 5.93. So ratio of oxygen and hydrogen in this compound, in first compound, is 94.07 by 5.93. That is equal to 15.86. This is 15.86. If hydrogen is 1, it will be 15.86 of oxygen. Similarly, by 1 you may write by 1, all right. In the second case, look at here. This is the gram of oxygen present in 11.2 gram of hydrogen. So ratio of oxygen to hydrogen, ratio of oxygen to hydrogen will be 88.2 by 11.2. 88.8, sorry, 88.8. It is 88.8. 88.8 by 11.2. So this is will be 7.9. So by 1. 1 means mass of hydrogen is 1, here mass of hydrogen is 1. So the ratio of oxygen in this compound, the ratio of mass of oxygen, hydrogen remain constant in oxygen in two compounds is 15.86 by 7.9, that is equal to approximately 2 by 1. Ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1, which is a whole number ratio. So it obey, hence it obey law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Then we discussed law of conservation mass. Second we have discussed law of definite proportion. Now we will discuss law of multiple proportion, fourth one. Law of reciprocal proportion. Law of reciprocal proportion. Is fourth, law of reciprocal proportion. Law of reciprocal, when two elements combine with the fixed mass, fixed mass of third element, fixed mass of third element, then the ratio of their masses, then the ratio of their masses, the ratio of their masses, of their, my problem भी कही बुझेबी, ratio of their masses in which they do so is either same, or whole number ratio, in which they combine with each other. Let us discuss this with each other. आमे law of multiplicity लेते only two elements. एक क्या मतलब तीन टा element. Two elements ना बा और fixed mass of third element ना बा. Suppose you may example. Simple way we may take this carbon. Suppose carbon, oxygen. Carbon, it is third element. Oxygen, you take here sulfur. So carbon, oxygen, sulfur, it form let us take carbon dioxide. Let it form carbon dioxide. Let SO2, it form SO2, sulfur dioxide. It form carbon disulfide. Two elements. Let us take two elements. Let us take carbon and sulfur, two elements. Combine with the fixed mass of third element. The mass of third element oxygen. The ratio of that is, look at here. If the carbon is taken as oxygen, the fixed mass number, the carbon oxygen ratio is here 12, carbon mass are 12. Here the mass of carbon 12 is 32. If the 12 oxygen 16 to 32, ratio of carbon to oxygen, here ratio of carbon is to oxygen, ratio of sulfur to oxygen, ratio of sulfur to oxygen will be this 32 at a mass, oxygen 16 to 32. 32 is to 32. Here, carbon disulfide is 12 is to 64. 12 is to 64. That means, look at here, the ratio mass of this one is carbon to oxygen. If we keep mass of the oxygen constant, that 32, here is 32. The ratio of carbon and sulfur here in two compounds, ratio of carbon and sulfur, keeping oxygen constant, keeping mass of oxygen constant, the oxygen 32, here 32. 12 is to 32. 12 is to 32. Because पहले देखो oxygen 32, here oxygen is 32, sulfur 32, carbon 12. Then 12 है carbon, keeping mass oxygen constant जो रखिबा constant. So carbon sulfur है 12 is to 32. In this carbon disulfide is 12 is to 64. In carbon disulfide 12 is to 64. 12 64, that is simple ratio of 1 is to 2. 32 into the simple ratio is 1 is to 2. Like whole number ratio होची कि नहीं देखा पहले. This is the whole number ratio. काहे गला? Because आमे प्रथमे रखिले oxygen constant. रखिले carbon से तो oxygen मिसिले carbon 12 parts of carbon combined with 32 parts of oxygen. Because प्रति oxygen ला 16 at a mass. 16 to 32. Ela 12 is to 32. Here is 32 is to 32. Sulfur 32 at a mass. Oxygen theta 32. 12 in carbon disulfide 12 is to 64. Hence the ratio the 1 is to, so it is a whole number ratio. This is the example of law of reciprocal proportion. Now I would like to give you a problem. This is the example of another problem. You may write this like the example like this. In the examination, most of the problems will ask you have to solve by this way. Then number 5th is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac, Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. When gases combine each other, when gases combine each other, they do so in volumes. It will show in volumes which bear a whole number ratio to one another if all volumes are measured are measured under similar condition of same condition of temperature and pressures. Temperature and pressure. Simple way I may write. When gases combine together, the gaseous state reactant side, product side, when both reactant and product side, the reactant is a gas, product is also a gas. जदि सब गैस हे रिएक्टेंट गैस हे प्रोडक्ट गैस हे से केस रे बिहेवियर सिंपल आसो. लेट अस टेक ए सिंपल एग्जांपल. H2 gas, hydrogen gas combine with chlorine gas, it form 2HClG. So reactant is gaseous state, chlorine is gaseous state, HCl is gaseous state. If all are gaseous state, then the combine is to show in volume le madhye se abo. Jodi kahle it is the one volume, because one H2 is one volume. Or this is, look at chlorine, number 1 chlorine molecule 1, it is 2 number 2. So the ratio of volumes is ratio of volume is volume 1:1:2. Look at it, 1:1:2. So this is the Gay-Lussac law. So that I have discussed in the laws of chemical combination of atoms to form compound. One is law of conservation mass, first. Number 2, law of definite proportion. Third is law of multiple proportion. Fourth is law of reciprocal proportion. Fifth is Gay-Lussac's law. Now, then the theory is Dalton's atomic theory. Now, I will discuss continue Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Question will pake dao. Write the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Number 1, matter consists of very extremely very माने बहुत छोटा, extremely small indivisible कर दियो, extremely indivisible अब भांगी बनी indivisible particles are called atoms which can take part in chemical reaction. ताको दिन भांगी भांगी जीवा यदि केमिकल रिएक्शन लास्ट शेष पाइबा जे केमिकल रिएक्शन करियो काम से रखा जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स ताल मैटर कंसिस्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीमली इंडिविजुअल पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एटम्स व्हिच कैन टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन. दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड इज atoms of same substances are identical in all aspects. Same substance जदि आइए मन करो आयरन आन लो आयरन आइडेंटिकल सब विषय आइडेंटिकल सेम सब्सटेंस एटम गुड़ा आइडेंटिकल गोटे एटम अलग हो आउ एटम अलग नुहे सब सामान इन ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स दैट इज they possess same mass, they possess same mass, size and shape size, shape and chemical properties. Write down and chemical properties. Chemical properties. Second one, same substance are identical in all respects. तार जो मन कर आयरन लुहाटा को भांगिबा तार जो एटम रहिला तार मास, साइज, शेप, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी जो हजार एटम अछंती सब गुडा समान. तो गोटे एटम अलगा आ गोटे एटम अलगा नुहे. नंबर थर्ड वन, atoms of different elements are different in all respects. That is size, mass, shape, properties. सब अलग अलग सब प्रति एटम डिफरेंट एटम गुण गुड़ा अलग अलग समान गुण नुहे. फोर्थ वन, atoms of different element combined together to form compound in a fixed, this is point important, a fixed whole number ratio. Fixed whole number ratio. Suppose water, example water. Ratio is combined together in this compound 2:16 whole number ratio, or that is 1:8, or you may write 1:8. Last one is number 5. Atom can neither be created, atoms neither created nor destroyed. So this is the Dalton's atomic theory. आम 5टा postulates कहले. After this, some of the drawbacks. कौन असुविधा है Dalton's theory? Drawbacks, limitation or drawbacks. It could not explain the structure of it. It could not explain number one, the structure of atom. Structure हम बुझे पालानी. The structure of atom. Number two, it could not explain the nature of forces. The nature of forces in the molecules, nature forces in the molecule that bind the atoms, atom बांधे रखा पाई जो फोर्स ताको बुझे पाला नहीं. थर्ड पॉइंट, it failed to explain Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. So these are the drawbacks. Now I will discuss Avogadro's hypothesis, Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Equal volumes, not all equal volumes of all gases, equal volumes of all gases, equal all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules, Then all gases of equal volumes contain equal number of molecules. That is mole, I will speak mole. 1 mole of any gas contains 6.203 to 10 to 23 molecules. गोटे मोल गैस सब कंटेन करे 6.023 10 to 23 molecules. So applications of Avogadro's law. Application number 1, to study determination of application. Number 1, determination of atomicity that is number of atoms present in the molecule. गोटे मॉलिक्यूल केते एटम अच्छी सेटा जानिया पे आम एटमिसिटी कह जाए Avogadro's law में करिपरिबा. सपोज हाइड्रोजन एटम इज H कि मॉलिक्यूल इज H2 ताल गोटे हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल केते एटम अच्छी 2 atoms. सो हियर द एटमिसिटी इज 2. द एटमिसिटी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 2. सो ऑक्सीजन इज O2. द एटमिसिटी इज 2. So hydrogen and oxygen, so this is the atomicity is 2. Give me the determine kare dekho simple way we can discuss. For example, you take hydrogen plus oxygen. Hydrogen, हमें जानना है hydrogen formula कौन जानना है. Hydrogen plus oxygen, it form water gas. Water vapor water gas. So here's 2 volume देखा experimentally. हमें experiment कर देखा गला experimentally. हम volume बापिलु experimentally देख लो 2 volume hydrogen combined with 1 volume oxygen forming 2 volume. Experiment देखा गला 2 volume 2 times volume is 2 volume. 1 volume of oxygen combined form 2 volume water. Hence 2 volumes of hydrogen combined with 1 volume of oxygen giving 2 volume water. So 2 volume of hydrogen combined with 1 volume of oxygen giving 2 volume of water. Since 1 molecule water, so it since 1 molecule of water contain 1 molecule of water contain then 1 molecule of water contain 1 molecule of hydrogen. The same volume, same molecule. Here is 2 means here is 2. Then यदि ये 1 होगा ये मतलब 1 molecule of hydrogen. And You see, यदि 1 हला ये हाफ अब and half molecule of oxygen, half molecule of oxygen. Hence, half molecule of oxygen must be 1 atom. Half molecule of oxygen, half molecule of oxygen, देखा कौन 1 atom. So 1 molecule of oxygen is 2 atoms. Hence, oxygen is diatomic. गोटे molecule गोटे oxygen molecule दीटा oxygen atom अच्छी से Avogadro's law बाटा आम कर बुझे पारे. Atomicity explained. Number 2, second point. Similarly, hydrogen atom is 2. Second, vapor density. Vapor density. The vapor density, हम प्रमाण करिबा molecular mass. The molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. 2 into Vt. Where Vt is the vapor density. So vapor density of a gas is equal to density of the gas equal to density of the gas by density of hydrogen. By density of hydrogen. In a definition, the ratio of density of the gas to density of hydrogen is called vapor density of the gas. That is equal to mass of same volume of gas by mass of, because density is directly proportional to mass of same volume of hydrogen. Same volume of it. That means I mean the same volume in the Avogadro's law, the same volume. It contain number n molecules. It must contain n molecules. So mass of n molecules. N contain so this is equal to mass of 1 molecule of the gas. 1 molecule of the gas by mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen. Mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen. Mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen is 2, approximately 2, that is 2.016. Mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen is 2.016, and that is approximately 2. So mass of 1 molecule of hydrogen, that is equal to mass of 1 molecule of gas by mass of 1 molecule 2. Hence that is equal to vapor density. So mass of 1 molecule, that is equal to vapor density. Hence 2 into vapor density will be mass of 1 molecule, mean that is molecular mass. The molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. This can be explained by this way. So the third example. Third application. 1 mole of the gas at NTP, 1 mole, prove that 1 mole of the gas, 1 mole of the gas at NTP, normal temperature pressure, contain 22.4 liters. Then 1 mole of the gas at NTP, 22.4 liters. We know, prove kariba, prove. We know molecular mass, we know the molecular mass, we prove kalam bartaman molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. The molecular mass 2 into vapor density. So 2 into mass of 1 liter of the gas, 1 liter of the gas by mass of by mass of 1 liter of hydrogen. 1 liter of the gas by mass of 1 liter of hydrogen. Hence, 2 into mass of 1 liter of the gas, mass of 1 liter of the gas by mass of 1 liter of hydrogen is 0.089 gram. 0.089 gram. So this is equal to 2 by 0.09, 22.4, that is equal to 22.4 into mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP. Because 2 by 0.089, that is approximately 22.4 liters. Hence, 22.4 liters of the gas at NTP. Hence, 1 mole of the gas at NTP occupies 22.4 liters of hydrogen. Then we will discuss atomic mass. Then we will discuss some concept atomic mass. Standard नियागला में कार्बन ना मास टाको स्टैंडर्ड धरा हुआ 12 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट का एटॉमिक मास. What is atomic mass? The atomic mass is the mass of one element, mass of one atom of the element by 1 by 12 into mass of one atom of C12. Mass of one atom of C12. So this is mass of one element, carbon 12 there आला, 12 by 12 1. So mass of one atom is called atomic mass. And average atomic mass. So how can find out average atomic mass? Average atomic mass. We can find out. Average atomic mass we can find out. The elements having different atomic mass, suppose chlorine 35 ଅଛି. Ratio 3:1 and chlorine atomic mass 37. Chlorine atomic mass 35 and 37. Different atomic mass are there. Different atomic mass is 35 and 37, which are called isotopes. Same element having different atomic mass is called isotopes. Ratio is 3:1. So what will the average mass of chlorine? Average mass will be 35 in 3 times such. 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 by 4. So the average atomic mass will be 35.5 AMU, atomic mass unit. Similarly, we can explain the molecular mass. In the atomic mass, suppose carbon atomic mass alag, atomic mass carbon atomic mass is 12, standard dharala 12, oxygen 16, sulfur 32, nitrogen 14. Some of the examples, sodium 23, केतरा एंजाइम सब दरकार आसीबो, hydrogen 1, like this. This is the atomic mass. This is the atomic mass of some elements. Now the molecular mass. The molecular mass similarly, mass of one molecule of the element, mass of one molecule of the element of the mass of one molecule, the mass of one molecule of the element or compound, of the element or compound of the element, right? Element by mass of 1 by 12 of C12. C12 ले 1/12 तो of C12 atom. One molecular mass. Suppose molecular mass, element, mass of one molecule of the element. Suppose hydrogen. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass of hydrogen. Atom mass difference mark करो. Molecular mass, atom mass. Hydrogen na molecular atom mass ala amite approximate dharichu 1. That is 1.08. Ami dhariले 1. So molecule vitare H2, it will be 2. Molecular mass of hydrogen, approximate value is 2. So oxygen, atomic mass is atomic mass is 16, but the molecular mass similar में compound में करी परिबा. A molecular mass is 32 because two atoms are there, is 32. So this is the difference between atomic mass and molecular mass. Another is formula mass. Formula mass. The formula mass कौन? Formula mass is the same as molecular mass. In case of ionic compounds, in case of तीन प्रकार हम लोग ionic compounds, the compound ionic तो solid है ionic compounds. The formula of the compound, the formula of the compound does not represent the molecule, does not represent the molecule. So molecule करा है सेटा कहला formula कहा जाए the molecule. For example, sodium chloride, this is compound, it is ionic compound. So this is the formula mass. The formula mass of sodium chloride, sodium 23, oxygen is 35.5, which will be equal to 58.5 grams. So this is atomic mass, equal mass, like this. Equal mass I will discuss later on. Now equal mass, it is not prescribed in this course, only molecular mass and atomic mass. Now we will go to the mole concept. Very important. What is mole concept? Mole concept is जानिया वाले कितना का मन रखा पड़े. Mole concept. One mole. So one mole. Suppose you mole is oxygen. Suppose this is oxygen. Oxygen is taken as 1 mole. 1 mole of oxygen first contain mass भितर ये mass नंबर. Relation between mass and mole. Mass mole with relation. ये परीक्षा क्वेश्चन पर बहुत नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम में पड़े. Mass mole भितर यदि हमें कंपेयर करिबा, mass is oxygen नंबर. Simple way. Mole टा bigger unit. Molecule is smaller. 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams of oxygen. 32 grams of oxygen. गोटे मोल कह ऑक्सीजन जहाँ 32 grams of oxygen कहवा सेया. और में राइट 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of oxygen. ताल गोटे मोल of oxygen यदि आम रिलेशन बाहर करबा मोल ग्राम भितर 1 mole of oxygen पड़ला 32 जो नाइट्रोजन पड़ो 28 हम 14 to 28 गोटे कहला पर आरो आमे प्रॉब्लम करी बुझेबा. 1 mole of oxygen is equal to mole or molecule with relationship. The relation between mole and molecules. Third, this is 2 gram atoms of oxygen. 2 gram atoms of oxygen. Gram atom. Or you may write 22.4 liters of oxygen. 1 mole जहाँ 22.4 liters of oxygen. Or we may write atoms with the relation पड़ला 2 into 6.022 into 10 to 23 atoms. प्लीज जानी पड़ो देख मोल आम रिलेशन बात करवा. If question asked 1 mole of oxygen, how many grams of oxygen? The answer will be 32 grams of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen, how many molecules? That is 6.0222 into 23 molecules. 1 mole of oxygen, कितने grams atom? 2 gram atom oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen, how many liters? 22.4 liters. How many liters? 2 into 6.02 into 23 atoms equal it. So now I will discuss some of the problems on this. Simple way I will discuss some problems. Simple problems we will discuss. One question is given to you. One mole of nitrogen is dash grams. Question is asked. एक क्वेश्चन बहुत क्वेश्चन पड़ जाओ. 1 mole of nitrogen कितने ग्राम हम. सिमिलरली आम ऑक्सीजन करते आम नाइट्रोजन नवा 1 mole of nitrogen will be N2. Nitrogen atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So molecular mass is nitrogen is 28. That means 1 mole of nitrogen, how many grams? You simply answer that 28 grams. So 32 it will be 28 grams. How many molecules? The molecules same. 1 mole per the activity, but 1 mole of oxygen is 6.022 10 to 3 molecules. How many gram of nitrogen? It is also 2 gram of nitrogen. How many liters of oxygen? 22.4 liters of oxygen. So if the question asked like this, because mole concept very important, kaka the relation pachharchi. Suppose question was asked for you 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide at NTP occupies dash liters. 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide at NTP occupies dash liters. किमित आम करवा प्रथम देखिए क्वेश्चन कौन पचराई. क्वेश्चन पचार रिलेशन बिटवीन ग्राम्स एंड वॉल्यूम. देख ग्राम्स नहीं आम मोल अच्छे ताले आम कन्वर्ट करवा. फास्ट मोल केते मोल 4.4 ग्राम केते मोल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. So carbon dioxide, the molecular mass, carbon dioxide, first to find the molecular mass. Carbon molecular mass कितना होगा पहले देखा. Carbon is 12, oxygen 16. 12 plus 2 into 16, that is equal to 44 grams. Then 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to, हम यही तो बेस कर हम सब करी परिवा. जो कौन सी प्रॉब्लम पहले करी परिवा. 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 44 grams. ताले 44 ग्राम जहाँ गोटे मोल से या सिंपल रिलेशन पकाओ. मोल सहित 50 लिटर. ताले 1 mole of any gas हो, जो कौन सी गैस हो, it NTP occupy 20.4 liters. So 1 mole of oxygen 50 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. जहाँ क्वेश्चन में से लिखो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज इक्वल टू 22.4 liters. हम 50 कितने लीटर्स? 22.4 liters. 1 mole of carbon dioxide 22.4 liters. So in this 4.4 grams, so 1 mole जहाँ 44 grams of पिला बहुत कन्फ्यूजन होती. कन्फ्यूजन बार नहीं ताले आम देखो ग्राम कन्वर्ट कले जेहेतु रिलेशन पचार ग्राम वॉल्यूम. आगे देखो रिलेशन का पचार ताले 44 ग्राम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जहाँ 1 mole say, or we may write 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide. This is equal to कितना बता ले 4.4 by 44, that is equal to 1 by 10 mole of carbon dioxide. Simple. Then 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 22.4 liters. 1 by 10 mole of carbon dioxide will be 22.4 by 10. This is equal to 2.24 liters. आगे पचे रिलेशन सीधा बाहरी पड़ो केते लिटर हम ऑक्युपाई करछि. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide contain 2.4 liters. 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 4.4 by 44, that is equal to 1 by 10 mole of carbon dioxide, which is 20.4 by 10, 2.24 liters. Simple as another question. Suppose the question asked you, (6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules, 22 molecules of sulfur dioxide 6.022 10 to 22 molecules, 10 to the power 20 molecules of sulfur dioxide have occupy deciliters at NTP. कौन हम करिबा केमिति करिबा ताले क्वेश्चन आस्क रिलेशन फाइंड आउट फास्ट. The relation is asking you molecule and volume. Molecule and volume. So this is molecule and mole bhitar achi. हम तो देइछे molecule and volume. So we have to make this by this way. First to convert this molecule to mole. That means 1 mole of sulfur dioxide. 1 mole of sulfur dioxide. Simple way, any mole. You take this equal to 6.022 10 to 23 molecules of molecules. You put here sulfur dioxide, hence here is sulfur dioxide. So 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide. 22 point, look at here relation. A relation हम सब करि परिबा. 22.4 liters at NTP. Hence, the question is asking you 6.022 and 22 will be 22.4 by 6.022 10 to the 23 6.022 10 to the 22 like by 10, this will be 10, this is your 224 liters. So any ask the question, so first find out convert this mole. जब कोई मोल कर दी साला परे आमे पाइबा केते मॉलिक्यूल करि परिबा, ग्राम एटम करि परिबा, केते मास करि परिबा, केते वॉल्यूम मते रिलेशन करि परिबा. This is all about your mole concept. Next time I will do balancing the chemical equation. Thank you all for patient hearing.